Hello friends, this is Snehasis Padi from the team of SNIS. So in this video, I'll be discussing a very important topic which is even visible in front of you all. So let me make a clear-cut understanding about what this box is about. So I cannot have a box to make you much more understandable what this Ember box is all about, how it is related to World Trade Organization. Those all topics we will be covering up in this 17 number question. So before discussing about 17 number question, let you explain about what the question is all about. So what is the question is about? The question is Ember box subsidies was recently in the news in context of the World Trade Organization. Which of the following comes under ABS? So by discussing this Ember box subsidy, so which of this following comes under that? Okay, context of with reference to whom, with reference to World Trade Organization or WTO, the ABS which has been included in that. So in which of the following statement is correct statement according to ABS? Okay, according to ABS, which of the following statement is correct? So there are three statements which is even given here: the minimum support price, then after subsidies on electricity, investment on research. So which among the following is one of the correct option for the above given question? So from the given question itself, it has been written that an Ember box subsidy which is related to World Trade Organization. We should have to remember, we have to capture that trade organization. Trade organization means the inter bilateral ties between one country to another country, one state to another state, how the correlation between, how the cooperation is been done between one nation to another nation or between interstate, we can say that. That is what the trade organization usually signifies. Whenever we discuss about World Trade Organization, it is depends upon bilateral ties between any countries. So that's the reason what ABS signifies. So what the Ember box is about? The Ember box signifies two more important perspectives. One is minimum support price or MSP, then after subsidies on electricity. So these are the two main aspects which usually comes under whom, which usually comes under Ember box, okay, or Ember box subsidies. So then after it has been written here itself in the explanation part that the Ember box subsidies are those subsidies which distort the international trade by making products of a particular country cheaper in comparison to same product in another country. For such subsidies includes input subsidies such as electricity, seeds, fertilizers, irrigation, minimum support and price, etc. So this plays a very important role that the Ember subsidies is a distort of different minimum and maximum product exchange between any bilateral ties. So it also plays a very important role. So in International Trade Organization or WTO, which even focus on what Ember box is about, the Ember box usually signifies the comparison of same product in another country, how the comparison been done between two different countries with two different aspects. Okay, so for an example here itself I have given that such subsidies includes input subsidies such as electricity, okay, seeds, fertilizers, irrigation, minimum support price, etc. So these are the different aspects which has been included in the Ember box subsidy and also been included in the context of World Trade Organization, which you should have to know about that. So I think that the above two option which includes electricity and minimum support price, which is been included or comes under ABS or Ember box subsidies. So let me understand about what the Ember box is about. I think that you are not even understanding the exact point. So here even I have explained the subsidy, about what the subsidy is about. Just remember that the box contains different aspects. One is the subsidies like electricity, seeds, fertilizer, irrigation. So maximum of irrigation facilities which has been included in the Ember box. That's all you should have to remember, not more than that, because UPSC even focus in depth with the clear-cut explanation. So I think that you are understanding what I am saying. They are just asking lighter about the Ember Box subsidies. Just you should have to know what the subsidy is about and which are the different criteria or factors which are been included or comes under APS, which is minimum support price, electricity, irrigation, fertilizer, etc. So I think that you have understood the WTO Ember Box subsidy. So let me focus on different subsidies or different boxes which usually comes under this WTA or WTO. Okay, thank you.